How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna share with you how I mix the beat using just Berzerk plugin from Waves. Okay, I think it's still free for today. I think today is the last day, so you can go there and grab your free copy. That's it. So let's listen to the beat, then I will explain how I've mixed it. So again, I've just used Berzerk from Waves. Berzerk Distortion from Waves. I've mixed it and mastered the beat using just Berzerk Distortion from Waves. Let's listen to the beat first, then I will show you the presets I'm using or how I set the plugin. Okay, let's listen to the beat. Okay, let's go to the mix. As you can see, just have only Berzerk plugin on the on the tracks, on the master chain also. Just Berzerk. And this is still an answer from FL and this soft clipper so that we don't click, okay? But you can see it's just Berzerk Distortion from Waves. I love this plugin. So let me loop so that you can hear exactly where the instruments are playing. Okay, the first one. Okay, let me solo. Is it possible to solo? No. Okay. Okay, let me just start from here. This is an open hi-hat. So I will turn off the Berzerk plugin so that we can let me turn off the master chain also. Okay. Without the plugin. With the plugin. You can just copy the settings. I won't explain anything because you can see just copy the settings. Okay. Feedback, I didn't use it. I did nothing. Dynamic also. I mess with the EQ. Okay. EQ session. You can just copy the settings. Okay. The next one. Okay. Without it, can just copy the settings. Okay. I didn't use feedback dynamic. I just use the EQ session and the the distortion, the character. I use clip, but you can just copy the settings. Okay, let's go to the next one. Without. Okay, next one. 808 without. With. Let's copy the setting. Feedback and dynamic I didn't use. I'm messing with the EQ and the proper distortion. Okay. Next one. Yes, but you can see also I'm using some little cues to clean up the low ends using this session, okay, from FL Studio. Okay, without. With it. Much cleaner, okay. Distortion part session and the EQ session, okay, just like that. You can just copy the settings. Let's go to the next one. Without. With it. Next one. Without. With it. Can just copy the settings. As a clip without. Now with it. Okay, like that. Without. With it. Just copy the settings. Okay, we don't have much time to spend here. Just copy the settings. Without. I'm using just these settings. Just copy the settings and we'll have the same sounding. Next one. Dot. And with it. From here you can copy the feedback and the EQ session, okay? Okay, that's it. Let's go for the master stage now. Using this soft clipper so that we don't clip, of course. Then let's go to Berzerk. Down. Okay. Feedback all at 0. And now you can leave like this in the EQ session. You can see just call the settings. Okay, let's copy the settings. Subscribe